Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another card making video. Today I have a really fun layered card for you. This is my Happy Graduation layered card. How colorful is that? It really has such a fun and excited kind of mood to it. You got the graduate there in the front, the people cheering them on in the background, Happy Graduation there on the top. There's a spot on the inside for your message. And of course, I included an envelope as well. This card is really easy to make and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get into the materials. For this project, you're going to need a Cricut cutting machine. I'm going to be using the Cricut Maker 3, a Cricut standard or light grip cutting mat, your Cricut brayer, scraper, weeding tool, the scoring wheel or scoring stylus depending on what machine you're going to be using. Glue, I recommend the Beacon 3-in-1 for the larger mats and layers, and then I have a little bottle of art glitter glue for all the different embellishments, and then your cardstock. I'm going to pause the video just for a second to show you the different colors that I'll be using for this project. Now that we have our materials ready, we can move along to step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. Okay, here we are at my website, thebeardedhousewife.com. If you don't have an account already, you can click the sign up button and you'll be brought to a page with all of our different membership tiers. We have free, basic, and premium memberships. Take a look at the different options for each one and select which option is right for you. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and click sign in. I'll go ahead and add my credentials and log into the website. And now I've logged into my account. To access the file libraries, you can use the Files tab in the main navigation bar. Now this particular project is free, so that means that it's available to all membership tiers. Those with free memberships will be able to get the cut file in the free files page. Basic and premium members will be able to get the file in the file library. For this project, you're going to want to look for number 687. That is the Happy Graduation layered card. Go ahead and download the file to your computer. Make sure to unzip the file, and then we can open up Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to Cricut Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in Cricut Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer and click Open and Upload. Highlight the image and click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that the project has been brought into our canvas, we can ungroup the design. We have some converting to some of the score lines to do, so let's scroll down the Layers panel and find the envelope. Click on this little icon to drop down the layers. Highlight that top layer, which is the score lines. Come up to the Operation menu and change that to Score. Highlight the group and attach. We need to do the same thing for the card base. Click on that icon, highlight the score line, change that to Score, highlight the group, and attach. Once we've converted the score lines on the envelope and on the card base, go ahead and click Make It, and you can see the different mats for this card. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this card. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, so I have everything all cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. The first thing that we're going to do is layer up our front cover panel. Now I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to put all of this together, but from back to front, we're going to start with the light blue, the light yellow, the orangish yellow, the maroon, and then the dark blue. I'm going to speed up the video just a little bit while I put all this together, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm all finished. Alright, there is our fun front cover panel. I'm going to set that to the side. Let's go ahead and mat and layer the messaging panel. Set that to the side. Now we can take our card base, fold and burnish along the score line. Go ahead and open up the card and attach the messaging panel to the inside. Let's close up that card base, and now we can attach the front cover panel to the front. And there is our card. I will set that to the side for just a minute. Let's go ahead and make the envelope. For the envelope, we're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Add glue along the outer edge of the inlay panel. Flip that inlay over, place it over the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin the envelope around. Go ahead and fold those side flaps in. Add glue to the bottom of the side flaps. And with your thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And that forms our envelope. And our card is all set. Wasn't this card easy to make? It's so cute. It's totally customizable with your school colors. I think that it would be a fun and different card for the graduate. I hope that you like it. If you make this card, I hope that you post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. Until next time, I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next card making video. Bye-bye.